Good morning, student. Again, I welcome you all in your today's math class. Today, we will understand how we can solve the subtraction related to word problem. Okay, so let's see the first question. The question first is Veena gets 615 marks and Archana gets 427 marks in an examination. How many more marks does Veena get? So in an examination, Veena gets 615 marks and Archana get 427 marks, and we have to find out how many more marks does Veena get. So for this, what we will do? We will do the subtraction. We will subtract the marks of Archana from the marks of Veena. So let's see here what we will do. Here we will write first 100 tens and ones. Is it clear? Now we will write the number, that is 615. Is it clear? And we have to subtract 427, and we have to subtract, so we will put the subtraction side. That is the marks of Veena. And this is the marks of Archana. So if we subtract 7 from the 5, we have to borrow the marks. So this will become 0, and this will give 1, and it will become 10. So this 10 and 5, this become 15. And if we subtract 7 from the 15, what we will get? We will get 8. So we will write here 8. Now again, this one is what? This one is 0. So again we have to borrow the marks, and it will become 5. So this one is what? This one is 10. So if you subtract 2 from the 10, we will get 8. Is it clear? And here 5 is there, and if we subtract 4 from the 5, we will get 188. So 188 marks. How many more marks does Veena get? So 188 more marks. Marks 188 more marks who get? Veena get. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's see the second question. A hunter catches 800 birds in a net. 198 birds fly away. When he cut the net, how many birds are left in the net? So a hunter is there that catches the 800 birds in a net, and 198 birds fly away. So we have to find that how many birds are left in a nest. For finding the left bird, what we have to do? We have to subtract the total number of birds that the hunter catches, that is 800. We have to subtract 198 from the 800. So this one is 100, this one is 10, this one is 1. So here we would write here 800, and we have to subtract 198. Is it clear? So total words is 800. 198 fly away. Is it clear? So we will take one, borrow the number from the next one. The next one is also 0. So we will again borrow the one number from the 100 place. So it will give 1, and it will become 10. So here in the box it will become 10. So if we subtract 8 from the 10, we will get 2, and here it will become 9. So if we subtract 9 from 9, it will become 0, and here it will become 7, and we have to subtract 1 from the 7. So we will get 6. Is it clear? So 600. How many words are left in the nest? So 602 words are left in the nest. Is it clear? So now let's see the next question. That is, a bakery shop had 250 cakes in the morning. It sells 65 cakes. How many cakes are left in the evening? A bakery shop has 250 cakes. Is it clear? And he sells 65 cakes in the morning. The total number of cakes in that bakery serves were, that is 250 cakes, and he sells 65 cakes. 65 cakes he sells. 250 total cake. Is it clear? So we have to do the subtraction again. We will take the borrowed number, and it will becomes what? It will becomes 4, and this becomes 10. So if we subtract 5 from 10, 5 from the 10, we will get 5. This one is again 4, so we can't subtract 6 from the 4. So again it will again take the borrow from the 100 place, and it will becomes 1. And this one is 10 and 1. Again we will get 10, and this 10 and this 4, it becomes 14. And if we subtract 6 from the 14, so what we will get? We will get 8. So we will write here 8, and this one is 1. We don't have to subtract any number because no any number is there. So 185. How many cakes are left in the evening? The 185 cakes are left. Is it clear? So in this way we can solve the subtraction related to word problem. Is it clear? So that's all for today's. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.